I get lonely too.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing another wig review from TikTok shop. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications so you don't miss a single video. This wig is from Bling Hair. This wig is always in this little packaging. HD wig caps, makeup sponge, 5-star review, and how to wash the wig. Get a edge brush. Here's how the wig looks. It's Burmese curly. Look at the ends. It's a 13 by 6. Love me a 13 by 6. Hairline is always pre-plucked. It smells just like hair, and this hair is really thick. This hair is really thick. After I washed it, it is a 13 by 6. This is how it looks after I plucked it. I plucked it a little bit and it's giving scalp. It's about to eat already. You can tell when it looks good on your head before you even start installing it. I'm about to pin the hair going to the back so I can cut off this lace because I cannot see at all. Then you want to cut your ear tabs. Cut from eyebrow to eyebrow so it can get 3 sections so it can be easier when you're about to lay the lace down, you guys. You can use spray or you can use lace glue, no matter what. This is the Kiss Lace Bond spray, you guys. This is like my favorite go-to when it comes down to installing your wigs.
I like the way you screw your face. Speak with me right when I need it. You wrong, but I can't get away out to it.
I do 2 layers of the Kiss Lace Bond spray. Blow dry it on hot settings so it can get tacky, and then do another layer. Once it's tacky, you want to lay the lace down in sections. As you can see, this is sections, but you want to press the lace into your skin using your comb. Sometimes the lace want to start lifting, so you want to hold your lace down and press the lace into your skin so it can be way easier, because if not, your lace is just gonna keep lifting, you guys. And as you can see, I'm almost done laying the lace down. Once you're done laying the lace down, you want to put your hair up in a ponytail so you can actually work on this lace a little bit more. Once you're done working on the lace, you want to take the Kiss Lace Bond spray level 9 and spray it on top of the lace so your wig can be stuck like glue, you guys. But you want to press the lace down. Once your lace is laid, use your melting band, this one right here. No ear pain at all, you guys. And this is how it looks after you're done. But you want to cut off the lace. When you do this super slow. Use your eyebrow razor, but be careful. Cut straight down the middle. You want to follow where your custom hairline is at, you guys. I did the widow's peak, so you want to follow that. You want a clean install, so you want to push all the hair going to the back. Now it's time to style this hair. Make sure your hair is actually in a middle part, because if not, your wig is going to look crooked. Then you want to use the Frontal Queen melting spray. As you can see, you can definitely see the lace, but as soon as you put this melting spray on, your lace is going to disappear like magic. Like, where did the lace go already? Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation level 12 and apply it down to the lace, you guys. And as you can see, the lace is more melted. Make sure that part is straight. And then I'm going to add some makeup inside the part so it can give scalp. The Frontal Queen wax stick is going to have your wig so sleek, no more flyaways at all. But here's the most important thing. You want to take your hot comb and do this super slow so your wig can be flat and not give Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. As you can see, your wig is not flat. It don't not give Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. It gives scalp. Now you want to start styling this hair. I'm going to be using water and mousse. I want more of a wet look, so I'm using a lot of water and a lot of mousse for this, you guys. I'm going to take my small detangling brush, you guys, and it's going to define the curls even more. Now the curls are so defined. This is how Burmese curly look, you guys, and this is the fullness, you guys. I'm about to start wrapping my hand around it so it can give that Burmese curly / lock look.
Kill my ex, I still love you. Rather be alone than alone.
This is the final result. I knew this wig was gonna eat as soon as I plucked it and bleached the knot, y'all. Look at how natural this looks. Look at this plucking. It grew fresh out of your scalp. You can't tell me nothing. This curly wig, perfect for the summer, especially if you are going to travel. This is perfect for you guys. And I love the density. It's really full. Perfect. It's 30 inches. It's a 13 by 6 transparent lace. The lace was easy to melt, and this is the final result. Like, I've been wanting to try a Burmese curly 30 inch for a long time, and this is what it's giving.